Namaskaram. How many of you are really interested in the class? Raise your hands. No discussions. I want full silence. Put it down. But you are all raising hand, but I don't believe. Because when I asked you to come and sit, I have seen the lethargy in you. Generally, lectures are boring, right? Yes or no? It's more boring when you don't have students in front of you. It's all on the side. I don't want to sideline any one of you. You understood? My cameras are not for me, it's for you. I am recording all your movements. How many of you know that when DrTPS is coming, there is a spelling mistake on board, right? I am SASIKUMAR. How many of you have seen my name and Googled and seen before coming? Raise your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wonderful. Good boys. Good girls. Preparing before coming. Even when you go for a movie, you prepare before coming, right? But you don't do in your classrooms. Correct or not? That basically, no sir. Few rules for me. Sir is a title given by Britishers. How many years back they left? But still stupid academic people train people to call madam, sir. We are not improved. We have not become Indians. Right or not? Number one. Number two. Even Britishers hate themselves today. Do you know there is a country where history is not taught? That is Britain. Because if they teach their children, once upon a time we were great, what will happen? They will ask their rulers, foolish fellows, you lost every major part of the world, right? So they will not teach they themselves hate their tradition. Earlier there was something called a Sir title given to Sir Isaac Newton, Sir C.V. Raman, all great Sir. But today they stopped it. Only the Commonwealth countries we are subordinates to British still use. We have wasted a lot of time. The first time waste is introducing me here. You know why? None of you really listen to that. Tell me, is there anybody who really listened to the first 10 minutes of your teachers? Raise your hands. I will call you here and ask you to repeat it. You all have note paper and pen, but you never used it. I was seeing. Come better. 500 rupees for you to repeat. 10 points for you. 500 rupees good. Come on, come fast. Take it as a challenge. Come on. Come on. Are you related to the person who introduced me? No, then fine. The mother was preparing, so I was beside, no? Come.
Sir, I really don't know.
First, you should stop. Hold your hands here. If you call me sir, you have to take it back and then take it fast. Just now I told don't call me sir. My name is DrTPS. What's my name? All of you take your paper, use it pen, write DrTPS now. Don't ever address me as sir. Yeah.
DrTPS, so I really don't know 10 points about you, but I know that the TPS Gurukul, which follows the ancient traditions of India, and you have 5,500 videos all over your YouTube channel. Yes, sir.
Only
your
two.
Name is.
Why are you shivering? Hold. When you hold this, you will not shiver, right? Yeah.
That's it, sir.
Put it.
No, that's it, Dr. TPS.
What's your name?
am Manaswini.
Huh?
Manaswini Kanamalka.
Good. So you lost 500 rupees. Good. Come here. Manaswini, come here. Where is your pen? Go and get a pen. It is nice to sit there and chit chat with your friends, which every day you do. When I record it and post it, it is not shame on me. It's shame on your senior teachers who mentor you well. How many of you know that I was a policeman for a few years? Maybe the topmost in the state, equivalent to that rank. If I just hold you and kick you, nothing will happen. To me, to you, you will be taken to the hospital. Don't, and it will become shame for you. It is on record. I don't want to do that. So be very careful. I don't know whom I am going to do this. Sometime I do it, very rarely in my sessions. I have gone to thousands of institutions like you. Millions of teachers and millions of students. Millions of parents. If anybody mischief, any bad things happens in the classroom, your parents will be called here. Then only you will be relieved. So be very careful. If you don't attend my sessions, I have no problem. But if you start talking to your neighbor, disturbing your neighbor, that will be end of your school life, I will tell you. So be very careful. I am very serious because I do invest my time. I don't spend my time. You have to write down all the terms which I am saying very specific. Just now I said I don't spend, I invest. So there is a difference between spending and investing. You are spending your time here, but I am investing my time. So understand every word. Be very serious. Okay? Take care of yourself. You don't have to take care of your neighbor. I will give chances to talk to your neighbor. That time you will have to talk. Discipline only makes people good. The another word for keeping things in order. Everything is in order. That's called kramam. What is it called? Louder. Which is not in order is called akramam. You know what is akramam? Akramam is not in order, but it is chaos. Disturbing people. The biggest problem in India is we are not disciplined. This is not an LKG classroom. I believe it's 8th, 9th and 10th.
Yes, sir.
When I come here, what I expect is pin drop silence. It may not be routine to you, but I am very serious. If you have any problem, just get out of this place. But if you are here, be very, very careful. Okay? Not for me, it's for your neighbor. Write down. I am going to ask you to show your books. Even if you do some mischief, I have no problem. But I will ask you to show the books. If that is not filled with writings, the punishment will start. So keep writing. Your concentration is to write every word what I speak. Okay? Is it okay? So by now you should have written SIR, sir, and cut it. I keep looking at different temples. You will see they will write Lord Shiva. You heard of this? Lord Krishna. So stupid, you know, those people. Lord is judge. And the female name, the other gender, lady. Do you call Parvati Sita as Lady Sita? Lady Lakshmi? Yeah, Lord is fine, but when it comes to ladies, what do you use? Goddess. So what is to be used for male? God. So every word is important. I am giving you some examples which everybody understands. So listen to all the words when I speak. Listening is entirely different from hearing. Listening happens only when you write it down. So taking notes, the best quality of a student is taking notes. And another one is making notes. Where do you use pencil? See, look at this is S, this is A, this is S, this is dash. 9, 5, 0, 2, 0, 3, 8, 8, 7, 5. That's my number. DrTPS. Okay? Thank you so much. Love you.
Thank you.
Taking notes. And after that, making notes. Take notes, small bits will be there. And then make a note after that. You know how to elaborate and write it. That's a basic quality of human being. Listening, taking notes, making notes. Do you think 300 animals will sit and a senior animal will come and speak? Doesn't happen, right? Who sits in classrooms? Human being. Correct? Human being is being human. Social being. Being social. What is the quality? Learning. Ahara. If you don't write ahara now, you will miss that chance of learning that sloka. You don't have to look at me. Keep looking at your book. Keep writing. Ahara, nidra, bhaya, maithunani, samani chaitani, nirnam pashunam. You don't have to write everything. Ahara -- DrTPS, you Google, you will get the full sloka either on a blog or on a YouTube. So if you don't write it, you will miss Googling it. Ahara nidra bhaya maithunani samani chaitani nranam pashunam jnanam naranam adhiko vishesho. Gaining knowledge is extra to human being. Adhiko vishesho. Extra ability is learning. Jnane bihina. If you don't have the intention to learn, Pashubhi samana, you are equal to an animal. So how many of you are two-legged animals? Or are you really a human being? So what you should have? The passion to learn. Is it good enough? If you don't have passion to learn, you are an animal. And I'll tell you, we don't have really brilliant human beings in India. Do you know what is the toughest exam in the world? Toughest exam in the world. Civil service, IAS, UPSC. You know how many people register there? 20 lakhs. How many people go to exam hall? 5 lakhs. 15 people don't go. They skip exams because they are scared. What is the qualification you want to know? The preliminary examination is exactly the syllabus what you learn in your 10th class. Or up to 10th class. 7, 8, 9, 10. But when they can write, +1, +2, 2 years, 3 years graduation, or 4 years BTech, or 5 years MBBS. That means somebody writes after 7 years. Syllabus is 10th class. So what will happen? They must have left the social science, they must have left their maths, and if you are in BTech, they must have left their biology. And same question comes, all the syllabus. Not the way your teachers will ask questions. Entirely different style. With a lot of internal specific knowledge. And if you miss it, learning now, don't think that you are missing your A+. You are missing the great preparation for the greatest examination in the world. How many vacancies you have? 5,000 vacancies. How many are recruited every year? Less than 100, 120. You know why? Many people fail. And out of 5 lakhs, only 20,000 people are preliminary passed. Then you should have a final exam, then interview. After that, the selection happens only for 1,000 people. You can see the ratio of passage. It's very, very difficult. But I was with the Cabinet Secretariat. Cabinet Secretary is the topmost. I was Deputy Director there. It's not that easy to pass. The reason is you are all short-term goaled people. Your goal is pass 10th class. You are not looking at where am I going to use this. Intention has to be very clear. I have a great role in my life. Not short term. Got it? While I was entering, I don't know how many of you read. You aim at the star. Correct? No, for me it's not like that. You aim at star, you reach star only. All of you should write a word called try, T-R-Y. Cut. Never try anything. Achieve straight. Last week, Tuesday, I was in Kerala. I was being interviewed by a TV channel. A retired professor was interviewing me. Then he asked me, how did you become this? I am from a small village where electricity came when I was doing my masters. First, touching a switchboard was only when I was doing my masters in my home. Same telephone came when I was doing my PhD. I am a mathematician, basically a mathematician. How did I reach there was the question. I was thrown out of being the worst student from a school at your age. So I know how worst students are. I know that boy, what is he doing there now? Talking to his friend. I will have tolerate little bit because he has got some problem, tummy problem. All that can be there. But I will set that right. Once I catch him, set that right, not him alone, the person who is talking to him. So if somebody talks to you, you can raise hand and say, this boy is disturbing me. If you don't do that, it's your responsibility, not the person who talks to you. I was very bad, so I know how people become like that. I got enough punishments also. But I have decided one day I am going to change myself. I said I am a mathematician, right? Mathematics is a subject or a language? You are wrong. Mathematics is a language. Mathematics is a language of all the other sciences. I am a mathematician, but in Hyderabad or the Secunderabad, the capital city of Telangana today, I must have taught more than 5,000 school teachers the subject called geography. So am I a social science teacher or a maths teacher? What do you use today in Google Map? I am from space department, mapping from space. That is geography. What I studied is mathematics. I have done 20 years in Department of Space in ISRO is making maps. Is it geography or mathematics? I know more geography than most of the people in this country. There is nobody who made thousands of maps. I made from my hands. I know geography perfectly well. What you are seeing today in the Google Maps, which I made 30 years back, social science or mathematics, it is full of mathematics. So you think that I am good in maths, but social is bad. Not you. Your thoughts are bad. Now tell me, history is mathematics or not? History is a number line with 0, AD and BC. AD here, BC is here. So I change your history class, the whole subject into a one graph, mark everything there. Nobody need to teach you history. You can just learn by yours. It's that simple. You ask me history, I'll tell you. It's very simple for me to remember all the years. I relate to me, my life. The year I took birth, Nehru died. Easy to remember, right? Are you getting what I'm saying? And the year I joined for my masters, Indira Gandhi died. The year I got job, Rajiv Gandhi died. Are you getting? Relate with you and learn. It's so simple. Vivekananda Swami met Ramakrishna, stayed together 6 years. Easy to remember, right? The great tragedy of Twin Towers happened same day. Vivekananda gave a lecture there 150 years back. Relate all these like this. 28 is a great day for physics. February. What is that? Science Day. C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman died 82 years. Reverse that, 28, 82 years. 1928 was the invention. Again 28 comes there. Logic. Full of mathematics, history becomes so simple for you. Physics is full of mathematics. I am a PhD in mathematics, but no. My subject of research happened to be in physics, fluid mechanics. It is full of biology. The blood is biology. Blood flow in your arteries, biology. That is not biology, that is full of physics. Flow of fluids, physics. Aircraft flowing. Aircraft flowing in the air, lifting in the air, full of mathematics. But then, when you have some disease, blood is tested. So if I have to understand the basic behavior of fluid, I must know chemistry. So I'm a mathematician, PhD in closed physics, papers published in chemical engineering, which has a lot of applications in biology. You are getting what I'm saying? You think that this subject is good, rest of the subject I don't want to learn, you are foolish. Because tomorrow, you will have to do many other subjects when you get a job. The last 3-4 days I was in Bangalore attending the most modern technology conference where Chandrababu Naidu wanted 5,000 people by the end of 3-4 years. It's not your computer science, it is going to be quantum computing. I was with the quantum computing conference for last 2-3 days in Bangalore. There is a big competition between Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka government. Karnataka government has spent thousands of crores of rupees for conducting the conference. It's full of physics and full of mathematics. You do normal computer science, you will get updated today, but outdated in few years. So don't keep your intention, this is what I want to be in your life. Learn as much as you can, spread out as much. And I was with a company called Quantum Biosciences. And it is full of biology. Mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology together. We are on a research where cancer can be detected even before it starts affecting the cell at the energy level. And how to nullify it, harmonize it so that you will not get that disease. 2 Nobel laureates were there giving lectures. Are you getting what I'm saying? You can be very, very, very good. World is opened up. And I was interviewing professors for appointing for a university. I asked a lot of questions to them. One question was, today or yesterday, newspaper carries a great academic event in the newspaper. Tell me what is that? He's a great mathematician, great physics. I don't care all that. You must get connected to the newspaper. They couldn't answer. I said, no job for you. It's more important to know what is happening in the world. I'm sure most of you are aiming towards 2 great schools in Hyderabad. It started in Hyderabad, spread throughout India. Which are they? Which are all you are aiming after 11th and 12th? Where do you join? Chaitanya Narayana. I call Chaitanya Narayana together as China disease in Hyderabad. My kids also studied there. It's good. I am not saying it's bad. Actually, ICFI, I am a practicing professor of ICFI. ICFI supports Chaitanya Narayana. So I have to be part of it. I also have a part there. But I am saying it's closing most of the doors for you. Because you are only in mathematics and nothing else in your life. Only in physics, nothing else. IIT is good. But there are many more things in the world. First, start looking at newspaper every day. Read. Your English which you are reading in your classroom is not good enough. Your general knowledge is essential. You must know what's happening in different country. Because even if you become a BTech IITian with the first rank, when they come for interview, we ask you the latest trend in so-and-so country. Why so-and-so country is fighting with other country. And you have no answer, you become unfit. In USA, job is given not for the brightest. Those people who have little social sense. And the basic social sense is how many events you organized. What is that you have done extra other than... I have got students in Hyderabad who I was mentoring 15 years back. They're all BTech students. They used to come to my house in Malkajgiri, invest a lot of time. That program is called Shiksha Holiday Program. If you get time, look at Shiksha Holiday Program. SHI KSHA, that's my trust. Actually, that name itself is me. You write Shiksha SHI KSHA, take that SHA here and put it there, it will become SHA SHI. That's my name, Shashi. Okay? You have to be creative in anything what you do. And Shiksha Holiday Program, my classes are never in my house, not in the classrooms. We are on the street. I'll take them to Golconda Fort to teach history. Practical way of learning. Why am I doing it? That is the way to learn. You must be able to write. You must be able to ask questions. Most important is asking questions. You can ask questions only when you have little knowledge. A calendar in your house or calendar in your phone is useful only when you know this is 2025. Then you should know today is August 5th. If you know 3 informations, 4th information will be given by the calendar. If 3 informations are missing, 4th will not come to you. Correct or not? So if you have a little information, you can ask a lot of questions. Some students are good, but most of the students are bad. The reason is not you. The reason is the system which we have. You understood? The reason is, you know, there are 2 places where test and examination happens. One is in academics and the second one is in hospitals. Blood test, blood examination, right? So every exam which is done in schools are equivalent to what examination happens in a hospital? Your blood is tested, some parameters are wrong. Here examination is conducted on different subjects and find that your marks are low. But in a hospital they will not discharge you just like that. They will set you properly with proper medicines, set you well, and again test, see you are 100% perfect, then promote to the next. But here, even with all the diseases from L kilogram onwards, what is L kilogram? LKG. L kilogram, U kilogram, you pass up to 10th class, 10th also passed, 12th also passed, BTech also passed. But still you don't know why did you learn all this. You have nursery rhyme, right? Which is the most famous? Nursery rhymes. Do you know the meaning even now? Mirsu Mirsu Akashamlu, I translate it into Telugu. Wherever I go, I translate it into different languages. Look at Bangla, Tinkle Tinkle, DrTPS. Malayalam, I am from Kerala, so my mother tongue is Malayalam, but other tongue are all the languages. I'll teach you all the languages. It's very simple to learn. 3-4 languages, tup, you can learn. I know reading and writing Telugu because I studied in Bangalore. So scripts are almost the same. So I can read newspapers here. I can write, I can read, I can write poems in Telugu. It's easy for you to learn when you relate things and then learn together. You should have that aptitude. Which is the other one somebody was telling, London Bridge is falling down, right? Where is London Bridge? You are wrong. It was falling down when the poetry was written 400 years back. And still stupid teachers in the classrooms teach and syllabus is given. London Bridge is falling down. It has already fallen down. And where is it? It's not in London. Teachers also don't know. I have not got an answer from many teachers so far. Millions of teachers I taught. Nobody got an answer. Look at London Bridge, DrTPS. I have explained in my YouTube. It's in Arizona in America. While falling down, it was picked up and then installed there. Do you know how much knowledge you have now? This is how we learn. Somebody else was mentioning another 3 bags. What is that? Baba black sheep, 3 bags full. Why 3 bags? One for my master, that is the king. One for my dame, that is for the church. And one for the little boy. That was a tax system in Europe in 1930s. You tell me why you should learn that. Are you getting what I'm saying? So keep asking questions. All of you should have questions. Why, where, when, how, for whom. Keep asking questions. A student is good only when they have questions. By default, from birth, we had this quality. You know what is the degree which you get? All the degrees after 12th, B. BTech, BCom, BA, BSc, MBBS also have B. What is the B stands for? What is bachelor means? Bachelor means brahmachari. What is brahmachari? The Brahma moves in that. What is Brahma? Brahma is the God of creativity. So you have creativity inside your, open your heart, inside that there has to be quest for knowledge. So if you keep Brahma inside you, his wife will come behind you. Who is Brahma's wife? So you will have good Saraswati in you. You will be able to get knowledge only when you have creativity inside you. You should have the quest for knowledge. So you want to have good friends. My teachers who taught me in my school days are on my WhatsApp group. If I don't talk to them for 1 month, they will call, why are you not talking now? You know, they still remember me. Because I was a bad boy, they remember me. And now I am a good boy, they remember me. They see all my, I'll tell you this video also from YouTube, they will see and say, yeah, you mentioned, is it me? You thought about me while talking? They will ask. Can you imagine? Do you think your teachers will remember you? Do you think your friends will remember you? Very rare. I have so many books. One of my book is called Life Made Simple. In 3 years, when your age is 3, ask who is the great person in the world. You will tell my mother, my father. When you are 5 years, you ask who is the great person in the world. You will tell my teachers. But at your age, you ask who is the great person whom you hate. You hate your parents, you hate your teachers. Your great people are your friends. But I'll tell you, after 5 years, none of them will be with you. Very rarely keep contacts. I've seen the world. But you want your children, your friends to be with you. Don't waste time. Don't spend time. Invest your time. And what is the best gift which you can give to your friends? I'll tell you. You want that? No, sir, DrTPS. Repeat, DrTPS. One go. When I raise my hand, just call me DrTPS. It has to instill in you. See, otherwise what happens is the class is given. Even I have gone to different schools, 11th, 12th class student who was from KG onwards, 14 years. In a same school, who is your principal? Madam. Because they never know their name. Are you getting what I'm saying? Your identity is your name. Remember that. Now, the greatest trick where you want to make good friends, where you support them to get good marks in exams, good knowledge. Prepare toughest questions from the textbook, one chapter, and gift it to your friend and ask, answer if you can. Take home, write it, make your answers, get back as if your answer sheets. And when you do this with the brightest student, you are reading answer sheets of the brightest student. When you read answer sheets of many people, you will learn, oh, this is the trick of getting good marks. Are you getting what I am saying? There is a recent movie which came, 35 Anda Pedda Anda Chinna Kada Kada. Okay. Anda Pedda Kada Kadu, Anda Chinta Kada Kada. Have you seen Pressure Cooker movie? See all the movies. I see all the movies. I make movies. So most essential is make good question papers. If you can make good question papers and gift it to your friend, which is the toughest place or the difficult place in the world is exam hall? Yes or no? Most interesting place in the world is exam hall. Shall I tell you why? You are all made to sit like this close by. In exam hall, what do they give? They give large space, right? Do you think the VVIPs will sit like this? They will have large space. So you are a VVIP in which place? Your exam halls. And you have to obey the teacher even though you don't have respect to them. You think that you can call the teacher, come here. No. But only one place you can call them like this. They will come to you and ask you like a chef, what do you want? And you say, I don't want anything, go. What a great occasion, right? I enjoy this. And there is only one place where you write for what? You read. You are dictating, asking your teachers, you read, I will write what I want. What a great place. And only one place in the world where you get free papers, quantum. They won't ask you why do you want. That's why I used to write my LLB exam, MBA exam, 300 papers. By the time the paper is given, they reach there, I'll say, collect. Give me another paper. 10 questions are given, answer only 5. You decide which is good, I will answer all the 10. It's very simple to write fast, read fast. Maths is so simple. There are tricks, not the hard work. If somebody tell you hard work will give you marks, no. Smart work will give you marks. Let me ask you one question. Maths. Yes, ready? 64 into 56. 64 into 56. How did you get it? You multiplied. Okay, let me ask you, is there any mathematics student, really mathematics student here? How many of you have used the formula a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square? The question was 60 minus 4 into 60 plus 4, 60 square minus 4 square. So it is 3600 minus 16. The answer would have been so simple. Why did you learn a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square? Nobody told you. That is the problem. You look at trigonometry, DrTPS. How do I teach different subjects? All your subject, write down the subject. One video will be there. If it is not there, you come with a question, one chapter, send me a WhatsApp. We will have a Google Meet. I wanted to record such a toughest class. I teach all subjects, maths, physics, chemistry, biology, Hindi. You can listen all these classes. It's not me who is teaching, it is student who is learning. It's very simple. You must decide 30 points to students, 20 points to parents and teachers. My name is TPS, teachers, parents, students. I teach all of them. 30 points to students, 20 points to parents and teachers. Look at what I do in classrooms. It's not teaching, it is you have to learn. You all decide. How many of you attend tuitions? Raise your hands. Yeah, if I am your maths teacher and my student goes for tuition, I would have committed suicide or I will quit my job. It's shame on me as a teacher. My student learned from me, immediately you go to another buffalo to learn. Your mother gives you breakfast and immediately after that you go to a hotel and eat. Do you think your mother will be happy? Same thing is being done. We had a great teacher, Kaudilya, who wrote Arthashastra, the first economics man in the world. He left his country just because his students were going for classes for another teacher's place. And on the way he picked up, he was not a bad teacher, he was a great teacher. Picked up a student and made him the Maurya Samrajya top. Learn history. The biggest shame, you know why? Because your parents have no trust on you. Is it true? All of you, probably at the age of 13, 15, 14, whatever is your age, from now onwards, decide your age is 10 years higher than what your real biological age. Behave like that. Then all this chit chat will go. You will become more responsible. Your mother will call you in the early morning. Wake up call. How many times they call you? What do? They tell you it's 7 o'clock. By 6 o'clock they will tell you it's 7 o'clock. So who is making them to lie? It's you. Who made your parents liars? It's you. All of you want to change in your life? So tomorrow onwards, before all of them wake up, before the auto driver starts their function, the milk boy starts their function, paper boy function starts, All of them will do job, but 10th class, 9th class students are pretending that you are sleeping. You want to get up tomorrow without anybody's call? At the earliest in Brahma Muhurtam, 2.5 hours before the sunrise. Nobody want to call you. You can wake up. Just like that you can get up. You want a trick? No, sir. Yeah, drink 3 liters of water before going to bed tonight. For all your difficult problems, I'm a psychotherapist. I understand behavior and characters of people. It's laziness. You want to be very energetic? Drink a lot of water. You want to become smart looking? Drink a lot of water. Make it a habit. I know that I will get water here, but still I carried 2 bottles. Because water is energy. If you walk 300, okay, forget about it. Walk 3 hours. Don't you drink a little water? Half an hour lecture is equivalent to 3 hours of walking. So if you are not reading very seriously, you will not feel thirsty. And there is a 20 seconds rule. The water is not very close to you where you can catch it in 20 seconds. You will skip drinking. So always keep water. Drink. So far you are not a good student, doesn't matter. From today, from now, from this moment, I am going to study. That decision should be there. Take the decision. What to learn? Anything and everything around the world. All of you close your eyes. Karagre, repeat. Vasate Lakshmi. Karamadhye. Saraswati. Karamule. Sthita Gauri. Prabhade. Karadarshanam. Open your eyes and see your hands. The meaning is Karagre Vasate Lakshmi. Lakshmi is money. This is how we show. That is how that symbol came like this. Nobody knows. Karagre Vasate Lakshmi. Money comes in my hand only when Lakshmi will come only when her husband is there with you. That means you should get a job. God of action. Vishnu. Karamadhye Saraswati. Saraswati will come to you only when her husband, Brahma, is inside you. Okay, don't keep anybody else. In your Hridaya, Guhara, Madhye, Kevalam Brahma Matram. Inside your Hridaya, only Brahma has to be there. Karamule Sthita Gauri. I should have sufficient energy in you, each one of us. Then we can sleep, deep sleep. Don't go to bed if you don't get sleep. Keep learning. Tomorrow I have a great things to do. Preparing a question paper, give it to my friend. You will not sleep. Now today you get the answer sheet from your friend. All of you buy one red ink. Correct the answer sheets from your friend. If it is in blue or black, make it totally red and give it back. Find all the mistakes. Spelling mistake, sentence mistake, this point is missing, that point is missing. You are learning by that. When you correct somebody's answer sheet, you cannot sleep. Are you getting? So be fit in learning all that what you can do. I spoke almost 50 minutes. I thought I'll speak 45 minutes, 5 minutes extra I spoke. I'll stop here. You want me to go or you want to answer your questions? Write down 5 questions in your book, which you can ask me. Those questions, if somebody asks, you miss the chance. So those people who ask, make sure that is already asked, cut it. If Somebody else is asking, write down that question as an extra question in you. So the end of the session, it's not what I taught you is important. These 45 minutes is to make sure that because you did not do the pre-preparation, I must tell you whom I am. And now you can ask anything. And from that, all the questions which you get, that is your knowledge from this classroom. So you should have as much takeaway as today from this room, impacting you throughout your life. So you can make questions.